In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if Discord app keeps crashing on your device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the very first thing that I recommend you to do is to check if you got a really stable internet connection. To do that, you can just open up any web browser and then just open up some website, and that will allow you to check your internet connection if it's good, or maybe internet on your device is currently turned off. And also you can go to some website like speedtest.net, and then you can hit at that go button to check your internet connection. In that way, that will show up the speed of your internet connection. As you can see, I got about 10 megabytes per second of downloading speed, and that is definitely enough for Discord to work. The next thing that I recommend you to check is if Discord servers are currently working well. To do that, just hit at the search bar and then just search for Discord Down Detector, and then tap at the first search result at Google, and that will open up downdetector.com, where you can check if Discord servers has any problems right now. At the very first position, you can find current status of Discord servers, and it says user reports indicate no current problems at Discord. Also, you can scroll down to check that graph that indicates Discord outages reported in the last 24 hours. And if right now there is a high spike on it, that probably means that your problems with Discord app causes by Discord servers, and in that case you just need to wait for a while until it fixed. Another thing that I recommend you to do is to go to the App Store and then check if your Discord app is the latest version. So you can just search for Discord, and then if that button says update, you can just tap at that button to get the latest Discord app version, because in the latest version they may fix some problems, some bugs, errors, glitches that may cause your current problems. And if for some reason that doesn't help, I recommend you to force reinstall Discord app. So let's hop out App Store and head over to Settings, then go to General, iPhone Storage, and then just scroll down until you find Discord app in that list. The easiest way to do it is to search for Discord, just like that, then get into it, and right here, first off, upload Discord app. That will remove all core app data files, and after that you will be able to reinstall the app. And after this process is complete, you will be able to open up Discord app and use it as before without even re-entering your login and password, because all your documents and data were not deleted. And then you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.